ONC has achieved a major breakthrough in India's clean energy journey by successfully drilling the country's deepest geothermal well in Ladakh's Puga Valley. The milestone aligns with the vision of Narendra Modi to accelerate the adoption of alternative and sustainable energy solutions across the nation. IRFC has signed a 13,527 crore rupee term loan agreement with L&T Metro Rail Hyderabad Limited to refinance the debt of the Hyderabad Metro Rail project. This is one of the largest refinancing transactions in India's urban transit sector and marks IRFC's growing role beyond railways into high-impact urban mobility projects. Garden Reach Shipbuilders and Engineers has signed a strategic MOU with Indian Institute of Technology Kharagpur to strengthen industry-academia collaboration and accelerate research and innovation in critical maritime sectors. The partnership marks a significant step toward developing future-ready maritime technologies and enhancing India's capabilities in advanced shipbuilding and marine engineering. Mahanagar Gas Limited has announced the discontinuation of all support schemes and subsidies with immediate effect, citing the ongoing geopolitical situation and its broader impact on operations. The company stated that the decision has been taken due to prevailing global circumstances affecting the energy sector and related supply dynamics. In good news for crores of employees, the Employees Provident Fund Organization has decided to continue 8.25% interest rate on Provident Fund deposits for the financial year 2025-26. At the same time, EPFO added 33,867 new pensioners in April 2026 under the Employees Pension Scheme. NBCC India Limited announced its audited financial results for the quarter and year ended March 31, 2026, reporting a standalone net profit of 70,329 crore rupees for the full financial year 2025-26. This marks a sharp 48% increase from 47,611 crore rupees in the previous fiscal year. The Board of Directors also recommended a final dividend of 46 paise per equity share, 46% on a face value of 1 rupee per share, significantly higher than the previous year's dividend of 14 paise per share. Western Coalfields Limited today unveiled its independent corporate logo and new corporate identity for the first time in its history. The initiative is being seen as the beginning of a new era in WCL's progressive journey towards growth, innovation, and excellence. In a significant move to strengthen India's energy security, Oil and Natural Gas Corporation has selected BP Exploration Services India Limited as the technical services provider for its entire western offshore assets, excluding Mumbai High Field. This strategic partnership aims to unlock substantial additional production from India's most prolific mature offshore basin using global expertise and advanced technology. Ayodhya, one of India's most ancient and spiritually revered cities situated along the sacred Sarayu River, has taken a significant step towards sustainable energy adoption. Green Gas Limited, a joint venture of GAIL and IOCL, has commenced PNG supply at Sri Ram Mandir in Ayodhya, making Ma Sita Rasoi LPG free and promoting clean energy adoption. India's leading defense public sector enterprise, Bharat Electronics Limited, has announced that it has secured fresh orders worth 608 crore rupees since its last disclosure on May 5, 2026. The development further strengthens BEL's growing order pipeline and reinforces its strategic role in India's expanding indigenous defense manufacturing ecosystem.